Welcome to Hi Channel. Today, please go with us to explore one of the hidden gems behind the beautiful parks and gardens that make Brantford such a vibrant city. As part of the Doors Open Along the Grand event, we are getting a rare behind-the-scenes look inside the Brantford Greenhouses, Parks and Recreation Operations Facility, where thousands of flowers and plants begin their journey before brightening parks, streetscapes, and public spaces throughout the city. For more than 75 years, the City of Brantford's Parks and Recreation Department has built a reputation for creating beautiful and welcoming green spaces, and these greenhouses have been at the heart of that success. Every year, approximately 500,000 plants are carefully grown here, supplying the colorful displays, annual and perennial flower beds, hanging baskets, and community gardens that residents and visitors enjoy throughout the city. What may seem like a simple flower bed is actually the result of months of planning, cultivation, and dedicated work by a skilled team of horticultural professionals. During our guided tour, staff members welcomed us into the greenhouse complex and shared fascinating insights into the process of growing and maintaining such a massive number of plants. Walking among rows of vibrant flowers and healthy seedlings, we learned how the team nurtures plants from their earliest stages, carefully controlling temperature, light, watering schedules, and growing conditions to ensure they are ready for planting across Brantford. It was amazing to see the scale of the operation and the dedication required to keep the city's landscapes looking their best throughout the seasons. One of the highlights of the visit was discovering how the department designs and maintains Brantford's famous flower displays. The staff explained how they create intricate three-dimensional decorative patterns using thousands of plants arranged with incredible precision. These living works of art require detailed planning, creativity, and countless hours of care. Seeing the designs up close gave us a whole new appreciation for the floral displays that many people admire every summer without realizing the work that happens behind the scenes. As we continue our tour, we'll explore the greenhouses, learn about the city's horticultural operations, and discover how a small plant grown here eventually becomes part of the colorful landscapes that help define Brantford's character. Join us as we step behind the scenes of this remarkable facility and celebrate the people, passion, and expertise that keep Brantford blooming year after year. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast, a lover of beautiful parks, or simply curious about what happens behind the scenes in your community, this Doors Open Along the Grand visit offers a fascinating look at one of Brantford's most important and longest-running civic operations. Let's explore the Brantford Greenhouses and discover where the city's flowers come to life.
So first of all, because it's new, I have to cut in the fabric. Then I make the special, it's kind of heavy.
Kind of heavy?
So I make the hole.
Okay, nice.
So now, because you can see, this is much small, the plant is big, that this is small. So I actually have to take the roots, to actually squish the roots and put that like this. So that's the way we have to do this.
And what is this going to be?
A lid on the teacup pot.
Okay, yeah.
So next one's going to be here. I just want to make sure next person knows what. So it's not easy to make the hole because it's packed, yeah. So it's very hard on your hand. So I'm thinking we might use 400. They are portulaca. We might use 400 plants for this. And first 2 weeks we have to water actually this every day because like I say, I took so much roots, so they have to adjust a lot. So that's why we have to keep that moisture. And after 2 weeks we would have to water that every other day.
So
A very mother plant. So in the fall, we actually brought this maybe 300 pots like that. But we have to just kind of get rid of them because we don't have spot to keep them, and then it would be too big for us to plant them in the mosaics. Yeah. So that's the baby. So we would take this. One plant can produce 15 babies. That's the way we'll take those leaves out.
and these are annuals if you leave them.
Oh, they will freeze, yeah. And then you just put in the root hormone to the soil, but those ones will take between a month and a half to the root. The carpet bed will take a week to root. And those ones, when we do carpet bed cuttings, that we would cover with those clear lids. This one we don't, because you know why? Because it will be too much moisture, and that the leaves will be like rot. You know what I mean? They will just come they will just die. That's because that's like more lot of moisture. And then we plant them, and by around December we will split them. So let's say we bring 20 grasses, we split them so we have 100 grasses. See, that's one of the things. See?